Hit! 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 Did anyone see where that went?
Hey, buddy.
Hey! You see where that went?
I did not.
Because that went off right next to my ear. Oh well. If you happen to see it, could you pick it up for me? Thank you very much. That's very kind of you. God bless. Really? Okay. What is your... Whoa! Hello! Okay. That just happened. You know, of all days, of all days. You gotta yell it louder.
Shooting at anything or just unloading mag?
Eh,
He's just shooting.
maybe. I don't know. I saw the BBs and I was just shooting where the BBs were coming from.
He's killing that direction. Okay, I got you. Come over your right shoulder.
And my Luger decided to crap out on me. So, normal day for German technology. Ain't that right, BMW?